Let me get straight to the point. I believe both Bitcoin and gold are going to rise long term, and they could go way higher than anyone expects. Why? Most people think Bitcoin and gold are rising to hedge against the dollar, or because US credit is weakening. That's actually not true. The real reason? They're here to support the US dollar and back up US debt. Now think about this. The US dollar is still the most trusted and widely used currency in the world. Why is that? Because America used to be the biggest manufacturing powerhouse, which gave the dollar real buying power. But over time, manufacturing moved overseas, and the dollar's anchor shifted to US tech. The problem? Tech companies like Nvidia and Apple are already massively overvalued. There's not much more room to grow. So here's the issue. The US has $36 trillion in debt. Sounds huge, right? But debt is only scary if your assets aren't bigger. In other words, the US needs to boost its asset side to maintain its credibility. How? Think back. Why did Trump want to buy Greenland or take control of hundreds of US ports? It wasn't random. It was about acquiring assets. And what are the other major assets? You guessed it, gold and Bitcoin. The US already holds a massive reserve of both and likely wants more, so they have every reason to drive those prices up. Bigger asset value is equal to less scary debt. So when you see gold or Bitcoin pull back short term, don't panic. That's just normal profit taking. The real question is, what's your time horizon? Because in the long game, this is about value, not hype. Understand the logic, and every dip could be an opportunity.